Hello everyone, welcome back to GearUpWindows. In today's video, I will show you how to clear or flush the DNS cache in Mozilla Firefox on Windows 11 or Windows 10. Sometimes a website may not load properly or it may show an outdated version of a page. This can happen because Firefox stores DNS information in its cache. Clearing the DNS cache allows the browser to request fresh DNS information from the server and can help fix website loading problems. So let's get started. First, open Mozilla Firefox browser on your computer. Now click on the address bar and type the following: about:networking #DNS and then press enter on the keyboard. This will open the DNS section of the Firefox networking page. Here you will see a button labeled Clear DNS Cache. Simply click on the Clear DNS Cache button to flush the DNS cache stored by Mozilla Firefox. Once you do this, the DNS cache will be cleared and Firefox will request fresh DNS information. The next time you visit a website, after clearing the DNS cache, you can close this page and continue browsing normally. That's it. This is how you can clear or flush the DNS cache in Mozilla Firefox on Windows 11 or Windows 10. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to GearUpWindows channel for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.